Name and what church you serve?
Hi, my name is Rakib and I serve at Debra Bisrat Kulubi Gabriel in Atlanta.
Nice. So, as being part of the Mahabara Kadusan Atlanta campus ministry, what do you think are your little gains from coming to our past events?
I've gained a lot of things actually, but for most, I've gained to develop my spiritual life with God and my relationship with God as well. And I've met a lot of people that, you network with different people that you have the same faith. And I'm so happy about it, and it's joyful as well. And there was so many activities that was very exciting and fun, and learned as well about God.
That's so awesome to hear. And have you heard about our 7th annual General Assembly that's going to be held in Atlanta?
Yes, I did, but I haven't registered.
Are you planning to come though?
Yes, definitely.
So, registering will benefit you in securing your spot and also for us to have you in our system and send you a reminder as the time gets closer. So, make sure to register and invite your friends.
Okay, thank you.
To the wind.